What's the meaning of boudoir? Boudoir. Boudoir.
Boudoir. Boudoir. The term boudoir typically refers to a woman's private sitting room or bedroom, often used for intimate or romantic purposes. It has historically been associated with femininity and luxury, and the word itself comes from the French term meaning to sulk or be sulky. A boudoir can be decorated in a variety of styles, from classic and elegant to modern and edgy, depending on personal taste. The overall effect is intended to create a space that is comfortable and sensual, where a woman can relax and indulge her senses.